The next pattern in line I call the Wonder Strum. This strum comes from an old traditional strum and was used by Neil Young, Eagle-Eye Cherry, the Beatles, amongst thousands of other guitar players. In this example, I'm using E minor 7, G, D sus4, A sus4 as played by Oasis. Like this. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. As you can see, we play again 4 bars, but now we play 2 chords on each bar. E minor 7, G on the first bar, D suspended 4 and A suspended 4 on the next bar. Notice that we keep these 2 fingers on the E and the B string all the time. 3rd fret on the 1st string, 3rd fret on the 2nd string. These fingers will not move. And I add E minor chord to it, then move to a G. I make it a D suspended 4 like this with the finger here, and then we move up that finger and add a 2nd finger on the 3rd string to get the A suspended 4 chord. So if I play this pattern slow, it goes like this. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down. Up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. So on the first chord we play a down, down, up stroke. On the second chord we play down, up, down, up. The third chord we do exactly the same. Down, down, up. And on the last chord we play down, up, down, up. As you can see, the upstroke between the chords helps us to find the gravity of the beat. It's actually our upbeat towards the next bar. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. It's actually our upbeat towards the next bar or chord. An interesting note is that a strum most of the time is a friend of the hired pattern or the groove a drummer is playing. They walk hand in hand. If I would strum a very basic strum, you can hear the hi-hat. Here it's the same. If you hear the beat of Wonderwall, for instance, it has this to it. And exactly that pattern we playing with our strum. Down, down, you see, it goes hand in hand. Other examples, for instance, if I would take the first half of this strum, being down, down, up, down, up, down, up. It comes from older songs like Neil Young, you know. Oh man, look at my life, 24 and there's so much more. Living alone in a paradise that makes me think of two. For instance, or Eagle-Eye Cherry in another context. You could play it with muted. Down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. Saved tonight, we'll fight a break of dawn, gone tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be gone. You see, it's such a popular strum. So I hope you enjoyed this, because if you experiment with it or you listen to tracks where you recognize this strum, you know, just go ahead and try it. Trial and error, you know.